Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. First off, before I start the video, I want to say remember to like the video, subscribe, join the Patreon if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to be part of the chat, be part of everybody, just kind of in the Patreon, kind of doing their thing and meeting just a lot of really cool people, honestly. But join the Patreon. I will link I will link the Patreon in the description. I did want to go and talk about APE really quick. Just really quick piece of news. I told you guys, I think yesterday, like 2 days ago, one of the main reasons that I would be extremely bearish and 100% I would be out of this project is if Bored Ape Yacht Club or the Otherside MetaVerse would come out and say that they are not going to be using Apecoin as the transaction method for the MetaVerse or for governance, right? News yesterday can actually came out as confirmation that Otherside will be using Apecoin as the transaction crypto for within the MetaVerse. I think their first set of auctions for land is going to be this Saturday. You had to be KYC'd on, I forgot what the website was. I didn't KYC. I am interested in purchasing land from that MetaVerse. But that would more than likely just be a quick flip. But the thing is, though, if you do have profit, you cannot take that profit out for a year. So that's actually extremely interesting, because that just means that a lot of liquid, a lot of supply is going to be stuck in this DAO, in this MetaVerse, for at least a year. So whatever person buys land, that's extremely bullish, at least for supply, right? But just wanted a quick update. On the news, it does look like right now, Apecoin is going to be reversing again back to the upside, which I'm super happy about. Again, we are looking at this consistent trend right here. All we're waiting to see is to actually break it. It seems like we already broke it on the smaller time frame. So on the 15-minute, you can see that we actually broke a full bull candle, came back and retested right here on the wick on the 15-minute. See if I can get a closer view. There you go. Right. So you broke to the upside, came back down and retested right here. I am expecting a move to the upside from here. And why I'm even more bullish on this is because we do have another essentially perfect hour coming in for Apecoin, which is possibly going to happen today, right? And out of all the coins that are all the crypto right now, Apecoin seems to be the only one that's actually moving to the upside, while everything else is kind of dumping, right? You even see Bitcoin right here crashing extremely hard and continuously going to the downside. Like it's falling extremely hard here, back at 39.2 after having that massive run up to almost 41K. So as of right now, Bitcoin still I'm still pretty bearish on Bitcoin. I still think it's going down to 37, possibly 34K. That was my initial target from a couple of videos back. Still have that hedge opened, but I do think that because Apecoin is the only one that's actually hyped, the only one that's actually moving, the only one that has a lot of volume, I think it's going to continue pumping, just like what happened with Doggy and Shiba, because relatively the market was kind of crappy, and Shiba and Doggy regardless still pumped. And I do think that Ape is basically Doggy 3.0, right next to Doggy and then Shiba Inu, right? But again, just wanted to really clear out that news, is that Apecoin will be used in their MetaVerse. And as of right now, I'm still extremely bullish on Apecoin, and I actually think it's going to keep pushing to the upside, possibly again today. I do definitely see it today or tomorrow going back up to $19.57. As long as we close a perfect entry on the hour, I do think we're going to keep running. Even on the 4-hour though, you actually closed, I think like right here, you actually close on the 4-hour, you're still trading sideways. So all the movement right now is pretty bullish. So again, look at that, you're actually starting that initial candle on the right side. I do see this going back up to 19.55. The next level after that is 21.65. Next level is 24.99, or roughly 25 bucks. But again, my long-term target still is about 100 bucks. I think at $50 I will probably take out possibly like 15-20K of my position, but only at around 50 bucks if it actually touches that. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye bye.